Good morning everyone. I'm here at my place waiting for the car lift because we need car lift to go in Dubai because this area is very remote and also is safe for the COVID because it's not crowded. So it's good to stay here while this pandemic problem. But of course it's no bus. So I'm waiting. They are very this distance I think is far here. My friends who come. Hi. It's so quiet. It's very quiet now because Friday is no work and it's too hot. Also the weather is not nice to play outside the kids. Yeah, here I'm here. So nakamask tayo di ay kasi takot sa COVID, di ba? Or takot sa multa, baka mamultahan ako kung hindi ako magmask. So ito lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Keep safe po sa lahat-lahat dyan kasi hindi pa naman natin nalaman kung anong gamot ng COVID, di ba? Sana maging okay na lahat para babalik na ng dati yung sitwasyon ng mundo. Grabe na napakaraming naapektuhan ng COVID na to. Kasi kahapon doon kami sa Dubai, ay grabe talaga. Yung para bang ghost town na, walang taong lumalabas, lahat taong makikita mo nakamas, tapos kunti lang talaga. Kaya yun, have safe guys, thank you. Good morning. Dito na tayo maghahanap. Open na. Okay, open na ang mall. So, nandito na ako sa mall ulit. And my second day off after lockdown.